Don't know if we'll have time to finish it tonight, but might have to do a to be continued.
Okay.
Trying to put some like normal and young. Sure you want that? Whoop. Other fan?
Yeah, fine. Do you want it?
No, I don't know if you wanted it.
Hey, can you turn the light on?
Yeah. Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, not air disc. Air disc bad. If you're recording, I'm gonna kill you.
Bobby, no, don't. I love him.
I hate her.
He's so cute. No.
Go away.
No.
Right.
Say, she is my bitch.
You're my bitch.
No, I'm not. I'm just kidding.